My cat trusted me, and this is how I repaid Sim. First up, vitamin injection. It's for health. It's for wellness. It's also the exact moment my cat decided I'm fake. Next, air cleaning. Apparently these airs have lore. The groomer is calm. My cat is buffering between fight or flight. Final level, claw trimming. One paw at a time. Furniture safe. My cat, emotionally checked out. Grooming complete. Friendship pending. Like, subscribe, and comment just as if my cat deserves an apology.